Yan na. Merry Christmas! So, galing kay Ma'am Leonie. So, it's another unboxing of our gifts. Going to use one hand kasi. Okay. So, we're given a mug. Tanan! Wow! Respect starts with you. Responsibility, excellence, self-control, politeness, empathy, cooperation, and trust. Wow, nice. Next is from Ate Glessy. So, today is December 25. And, ayan. Ayan, buksan. Yeah. Wait lang. Tamad na ako eh. Yung nasa likod na white is from Mami Pia. So, actually, ito ay aking request sa kanya. Suki planner. So, ang kulay ay oh, why? I have this color already. But thank you, Ate Glessy. Next is this from Ma'am Michelle. Yeah, the seal. Happy, healthy, prosperous New Year ahead, Mitch. Ma'am Mitch, thank you so much for your New Year's gift. Dapat pala New Year ko to binuksan. So, yun po, baliktad po ang pagkakaano. Wow, organizer. Tamang-tama to kasi sa totoo lang, wala kaming organizer. So, salamat po. Maraming salamat. Wow. Oh, silicone utensil set. Ay, ibang magiging masaya dito. Nay, halika. Halika. Tignan mo to. Yan. Best quality material chosen. Oh. Ikaw ang magiging masaya dito. Pang loto-loto. Hehe. So, yun lang. Salamat po sa lahat na nagbigay. Thank you po.